valuable and important, beautiful and must for survival. Hey, I am Asal Gunjotkar. I am studying in grade 6. Today's topic is World Elephant Day. On this occasion, let us promise to show humanity towards these cute and adorable animals, which are a gift from nature to humans. We are responsible for they are standing at the point when they can extinct, and we must take the responsibility to save them. Thank you.
Hi, I am Supriya from class 7. As we know, today is World Elephant Day. How it started? No, let's start. How it started celebrating. In 2012, filmmaker Paprika Sims launched World Elephant Day and the reintroduction foundation of Thailand and in Japan, Agile City of Thailand. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shubham. Let us come to know facts about elephant. They were the world's largest land animal. You can tell two species apart by their ear. Their tongues are made skin. Their tusks are actually teeth. They were got thick skin. Elephants are constantly eating. They communicate through vibrations. Claves can also stand within 20 minutes of breath. Thank you.
No one in the world needs an elephant's tusk but an elephant.
Good morning everyone. Topic Elephant Day. Save the elephant, then you save the forest, then you save your life.